It is the best thing since sliced bread. This. What is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another skincare video featuring my natural exfoliant. I've been in the sun, I've been working, setting up my cafe, so I've been doing a lot of handiwork. So I noticed that my face would have all these blemishes and everything, and this natural exfoliant, the one that I spoke about the last time here, sugar, really important, refreshing and mild. It works for all skin tones. So what I do is I just put my sugar here. Well, you're going to see this. This is actually too much. What I do is I just put in some water, and that's it. Like the water here now, it has a little bit of lime squeezed in. Do you get? So it's not too much lime, because too much lime is just going to be too harsh for my skin. So I mix it up and literally exfoliate my skin. I have a mirror right here, so I think let me just place it here so that you guys wouldn't see that. I usually do this in the bathroom, but in the spirits of God, I love this. It's so natural, and it keeps your skin really healthy and glowing. You know that radiance that you see in people's skin? It really does that, and it's so mild and so easy to do. So considering I can't exfoliate every day, what I do is when I come back, I don't use the mud treat. I don't use. I only use it twice. So I use this one time to get in a week. So I just do this once a week. But I have been, the reason I'm even doing this the next one as the next skincare is because I've seen the results that it yields. Like those little things, those little blemishes just goes away. So, but then it's really gummy. I mean, it's salt. Sorry, it's sugar. So it's really gummy. You really need a spray bottle. Do this for about 10 minutes. Well, not 10 minutes, because 10 minutes is too long. 5 minutes. And class, let me just take a little bit of thumbnail. Go wash it out. Guys, I just washed my face. I use this refreshing facial wash if I'm doing this routine like this, and I use this a lot. I'm trying to see this reflection. Should I do this? I will take a picture and link it. Refreshing facial wash. Oh my god, it's really refreshing. This is why I actually haven't dried off my face. When the air is coming in, it is the best thing since sliced bread, and it's for all skin. So it's a soap-free gel too, and it doesn't have a scent, no color. It does, like, it's just really so mild, and it's not harsh. And anything that is harsh on my skin just kind of burns. It feels like it's burning me up. Do you get? So I can barely use anything that is harsh on my skin or leave anything for too long. But this does not do any of that. Like, it's just so incredible. You will feel the breeze. You will feel like your pores have been tightened, and at the same time, like, really clean. Like, your face feels fresh. It's literally what it says here. Refreshing facial wash. I love it so much. You can get this anywhere. I got this from HMedX. The reason I decided to do this simple thing is because I saw her. Look at my skin. You guys can see my skin right now, cool? Like, you guys can see, right? So a few days, I think I even spoke about it on Instagram, that I was having some breakouts here because I have been in the sun for too long. I have been working literally, and it's just, it was just not doing it for my skin. So I decided to I wasn't doing this this sugar exfoliant thing I haven't been doing that. I've just been doing the mud one. So, but I've read a lot about it. I was like, okay, you know what, I've done it once, let me just give it another shot to see. And just literally, it just exfoliates my skin really good, and pair it up with this. Oh my god, the combination, this simple thing I actually have. Anyway, I'll talk about it in another video. When I talk about other things like moisturizers, I will talk about that other one in that video. But this simple face wash, oh my god, like the combination of these two, I don't know. I feel like the simple company should make a sugar exfoliant. I really think I should send them an email, because these two just make your skin just radiates and just gives it this fresh, like you've been chilling, not doing much. Like it just gives you this radiates your skin. And I'm really happy that the mod that I suggested, the video, if you haven't watched the video, please go ahead and watch it. I suggested, I showed you, because all of this is something that, it's things that works for me. So I went ahead to tell you all that. You should check it out, the mod exfoliant that I use. Oh my god. The reviews that I've been getting, somebody said, I think I just saw the message, was it two days ago or yesterday on YouTube, that she went ahead to order hers and it came and she's been using it for 2 days and she can literally tell the difference from her skin. Like that is how fast it works. So don't play with these things, guys. It might not work for you, because these things work for me. So if it doesn't work for you, I mean, I'm sorry, honey, but I'm really glad that it's working for a majority of the people that have tried it. So please, if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch. It's really, really important, because this exfoliant, and now this one, see, this is whatever I find, I share with you. This, I literally just found about it and I was like, you know what, I have to be at the cafe right now to continue the work, because we are launching next week, well, this week that is coming. But I was like, you know what, today is a Saturday and I need to film this. I need to film this because this is so important. I need to film this and give it to you and show you the tea about what has been going on and what has been working for me. So that's why I decided to actually film this video right now. So please try it out and see, or you could try it out with any of the face wash that you have in your bathroom. And I actually tried this. Is it Cetaphil? Is it Cetaphil or Cetaphil? I don't know how you pronounce it, but it didn't. I mean, it's a good facial wash, but it didn't do what this has been doing for me, to be honest. So I'll highly recommend you try this out, and it's really inexpensive too. I think this is like 2,000 something. I can't remember the exact price, 2,000 something in H-Medics. So it's really not that expensive, and it lasts you for some time too. So please try it. Get on that. You want that radiance. You know those blemishes that and especially Sokoto is kind of weird. The weather is weird. It's not too sunny right now, but it's still Hamatani. I don't know if you can even say Hamatani, but it's still kind of Hamatani. So the weather is harsh. It's too dusty, crusty, all of it. So you would literally see flakes, stuff on your skin. But since I started doing this just a little bit of lime water in your water, and please don't put just straight up lime in it, because I feel like it hurts your skin more than it should. So I just put a little bit of lime in this spray bottle with water and put it in, and last, like, you are it, you're done, and that's it. So I hope this helps you. Try it out. Like, I love reading your reviews on my Instagram, on YouTube. Please keep them coming, because I know some of you guys are going to try this today. So please, if you do, just tell me how your face feels, because I know how mine feels. Let me go and moisturize. I'm not going to do this on this video, but I'm not going to show you what I'm going to use to moisturize. Okay? Hang on. Okay, so we're back. I'm not going to show you what I'm going to use to moisturize, because that's a whole other video. Like this. Let me work it into my skin, because my skin is running out. And please allow it to please don't use towel to actually dry it off. Allow it to just, you see, it barely took, I think, 3 minutes for it to just dry off altogether. Let me just use this to work it in my skin. Work it. So you see, please don't message me as to where you can get it. I'm going to check the description box. You're going to know where you can get all of this. And well, you know where you can get sugar. It's in your kitchen or in your dining area. You know where you can get sugar, honey. It's in your room. So use sugar. And you know where you can get lime. You know where you can buy the lime, right? And all of this, the fact of the matter is, these are all things that you can get anywhere and for very cheap. I think the only thing that you need to get is this. This is when you need to start paying me. I think I'm going to message that PR. How? I think I'm going to message that PR people, because I absolutely love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, and we'll talk some more when we talk some more. Please, if you have other skincare videos that
Please, if you have other skincare videos that you'd like to see, other skincare topics that you'd want me to touch, please let me know in the comment section or in the DM. Actually, I will get right to it. I'll add them to the list